Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to create a shell of your part, and we will be using this part as an example. So download the part file so you can follow along. Before we create this part, I want to show you an example of how the shell works. So I'm going to open this part file. So open this part file if you want to follow along. So all shell is it allows you to create an halo in your part. So to use the shell, select the shell tool. The first thing we'll do is specify the thickness. So in this example, we can leave it at 0.1. And the second one option is to select the face you want to remove. For this first example, let's select that top face, and you can show your preview. So it is showing you the thickness and the face that it is going to remove. And you can shell it outward, which is going to shell it at the thickness on the outside. But for this example, we want to shell it in. So if we select that first face and click OK, and that is what happened. So it creates in a halo. And if I section it, you can see. And let's delete that shell and try another method. So I'm just going to click delete and delete. Again, we can try the shell. We can leave the same option. Face to delete, we can select this face and we can show the preview and click OK. And it deletes that face and shells it. And let's delete that as well. And you can also select multiple face to delete. So in this third option, we will select this face, and that face to be deleted. We'll leave the thickness at 0.1, click OK. And we have removed all those three faces and shell it. Let's delete that shell. And the last example is we can shell it, but don't select any face. We shell it 0.1 and click OK. And even though it looks like nothing happened, watch what happens when I section it. It has shelled it on the inside, but didn't delete any face. So those are the different options you have for shell. So moving on to the next example, which is this part. We want to shell this part 0.1. So using the example we just looked at, let's select the shell. We'll type in 0.1. The faces to remove, will start selecting all of the face we want to remove. So we are going to remove this face, we'll flip it, remove that face, and the last one is this face. As once you have selected all the face, you can show the preview. And once you are satisfied, and click OK. And that is how you create a shell in SolidWorks. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.